Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is SOLIDBugs.
Oh yeah.
In this video, I will explore the missing perspective feature in our beloved CapCut video editor. Without further ado, let's get started. First, before we dive in, let's quickly clarify what perspective is and why you need it. Perspective is how objects change in size and angle depending on their distance and position relative to the camera, and fixing it makes your edits look natural instead of flat or skewed. So here I am in CapCut for PC, using the latest version, 7.1. After adding some pictures to the timeline, I want to change the perspective of one of the images to fit a billboard. However, no matter what I do, the perspective feature is missing. The only option I have is to rotate the image. This raises a couple of questions. Why is that? What am I doing wrong? And why is such a vital feature not available in CapCut? It can be frustrating when you expect a feature to be there, especially one that can significantly enhance your editing. The absence of the perspective feature might be due to a few reasons. First, it's possible that this feature is not yet fully integrated into the PC version of CapCut. Another possibility is that the feature might be hidden or located in a different section of the editing tools. Sometimes, software updates can change the layout or availability of certain features, so it's worth checking the latest release notes or user forums for any updates on this. In my search for the perfect video editor, I came across Camtasia. Camtasia is a user-friendly video editor primarily designed for beginners, which makes it a great option for those just starting out in video editing. Now, let's add the same footage into this application. First, we'll import the pictures we want to use. Once they're imported, we can drag and drop them onto the timeline. To change the perspective of a picture in Camtasia, start by selecting the four dots icon at the top of the image. This will allow you to manipulate the corners of the picture. Now, let me adjust the opacity to show you the changes more clearly. As I drag the corners, you can see how the perspective shifts. Move the corners around until you're fully satisfied with the look. Once you've got it just right, don't forget to change the opacity back to its original setting. Looks very good. I really like the result. This simple adjustment can make a huge difference in how your video feels, adding depth and interest to your visuals. You can, of course, change the perspective of a video clip without any hassle. Just like with images, Camtasia allows you to easily adjust the perspective of your video clips as well. Simply select the clip on the timeline, click on the four dots icon, and start dragging the corners to achieve the D. So the question remains, why does CapCut not support the perspective feature? Did I miss something along the way? If you have any insights or experiences with this, let me know in the comments. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.